Good morning, everyone. My name is Logan Jones. I am a family consumer science major, and today I'll be demonstrating. I'm from Charlotte, North Carolina. Today I'll be demonstrating the Hisense single door mini fridge, a versatile and compact appliance. This is perfect for a variety of settings. This mini fridge is ideal for dorm rooms, offices, bedrooms, or any small space that requires additional refrigeration. This Hisense mini fridge boasts a sleek and modern design, making it a stylish addition to any room. The dimensions of this refrigerator is 17.5 inches width by 12.5 inches length. Its compact size allows it for it to fit in easy spaces and small spaces, making it perfect for apartments and dorms. Despite its small size, this fridge offers ample storage. As you can see, that's a freezer itself right there. You can fit your drinks all right here. It includes adjustable shelves, door storage, a small freezer compartment added for any convenience, which was right there. And then this is adjustable, and these are the door frames where I put my drinks in. This fridge also offers a adjustable thermostat, allowing you to set the perfect temperature for it, which is in here. It's all the way in the back right there, as you can see. Also, the temperature ensures that your items are kept at the optimal coolness without freezing. So I think it's perfect. And the Hisense has designed this mini fridge to be energy efficient, which consumes less power and it saves on your electricity bill. It also has an energy star rating, which ensures it meets strict energy efficient guidelines. Now, this mini fridge operates quietly, making it suitable for use and for bedrooms or study areas without causing any disturbances. Right now, like it's on, and you can barely even hear it. And the Hisense mini fridge is constructed with high quality materials. It ensures durability and long-lasting performance, and the door seals tightly to maintain the internal temperature and to prevent energy loss. So you see, it's automatically closed very tight. And this is the exterior of the fridge. This is the front. This is the back. You got a couple motors and wires in the back that helps the refrigerate. I think the recommended setting for setting in drinks, and if you have food in this freezer, I would recommend putting it on the highest. But if you have drinks or something, I would put it on. What's that? Right below. So, yeah, right below the top notch. In summary, this Hisense mini door fridge is a compact and stylish and efficient appliance that provides ample storage and reliable performance. It is energy efficient, and operates a quiet operation, so you can't really hear it at all. And to clean this appliance, you probably would have to get on your hands and knees yourself. Probably use some multi-surface cleaner. Depends how clean you want to get. Multi-surface cleaner, get in there, scrub out the freezer, the different layers of this refrigerator. It can be stored anywhere. I don't think I haven't had any problems with this appliance. I think the only thing that would cause this appliance not to work is if you didn't plug it in for a long time, and I think the battery would probably just go dead or the impulse on the back of it, you have to get it fixed. And to fix small mechanical problems, you're probably gonna have to take that somewhere to get it fixed. I find it pretty hard to find and fix this yourself because there are a lot of wires in the back of this refrigerator. Yeah. Thank you.